we came here, me came here for natural and dream. Natural is using my body to interact, admire, absorb, be in the nature place. So that is the place for my body. All the rivers, stones, air, trees, food we taking from the nature. The beautiful, beautiful nurturing garden, sacred, sensations fulfill each atoms of my body. And in my spiritual body or consciousness is the dream. Dream is not only we spend third time to sending all the conscious message back to reset, to simply output from this world experiences as an input. So those communications through dream state, when we meditate, when we sleep, it's the easier because there's without any the drivers illusions is from the very true heart feelings, without the brain, the logic to manipulate what do we really want, what do we really experience. So those dream state, like when we get high, when we meditate, the pure consciousness and the sending all those messages back to where? To us, to the center, to the resources, then all that cannot make up unfakeable consciousness, knowing experiences from the world, sending back to all that wholeness, whole place. Then simply if we're suffering, I don't know, it's not anything to do with the last ancient civilization we have, what happened there. Maybe from their fear, they're in power, they're powerless from the natural. They only can play with the stones, even though they are so with so much wisdom than the big cataphorians kill the whole world because there's nothing they can do about it. Then we are the next. Then this natural, we're far away from natural, always leading to the disasters, leading to the ending, because that's against where we come from, where we are here, why we are here. Then the things we want, our dreams, we didn't get that. All the Tao society is we don't get what we want. We are miserable, we are sad. All the collective consciousness sending suicidal or destroy us, and the without we are lying ourselves through dreams to dream state meditations. Then so the ending is coming. It's because we want. So get the inner power back. Get what we want. Not the desires we truly want. The peace, the harmony, the beauty, the grateful, the love. No matter what we do, that's all we want. But now, it's not. So the ending will come. But death is not death. The death is what we want.